Sun dips low, though the nights. Baseline hums with gleaming lights.
If you've ever wanted to generate AI music completely offline, free, and without restrictions, there is finally a way. AceStep is the most capable open-source music generator available right now. Its sound quality rivals top commercial apps, but the best part is it is free, flexible, and can run on most modern computers. The results speak for themselves. AceStep handles pop, rock, rap, EDM, jazz, classical, international styles, and can generate both instrumental and vocal tracks in multiple languages. Realistic vocal performances and diverse instrumentation make this tool a standout for creative music tasks. To demonstrate, here are some demo tracks created with AceStep.
It's not just a dream, it's the start of a way. Building the future where music will play. A model that listens, a modal that grows. AceStep is the rhythm the new world knows. No more limits, no more lines, 1,000 songs in a million minds. We light the spark, we raise the sound, a new foundation breaking ground. AceStep, we take the leap into a world where the music speaks. Fast and free, we shape the skies, creating songs that never die. Neon lights, they flicker bright. City hums in dead of night. Rhythms pulse through concrete veins, lost in echoes of refrains. Bassline grooving in my chest. Heartbeats match the city zest. Electric whispers fill the air. Synthesized dreams everywhere. Turn it up and let it flow. Feel the fire, let it grow. In this rhythm we belong. Hear the night sing out our song.
The richness of the vocals, variety of genres, and structuring of the music are far above what most free AI music tools currently offer. AceStep lets you specify the music's genre, add optional lyrics, and even use tags within the lyrics such as verse, chorus, or bridge to help the AI structure the song well. The tool can also generate special vocal effects like echo by placing words in parentheses. For instrumental-only tracks, simply use the tag instrumental. On the web demo page, all parameters are handled in a simple interface. For most beginners and even most projects, the default settings work best. Audio duration can be set if you want a specific length, but leaving it at default will generate a standard length track. There is an info steps parameter. Higher values provide better quality, and the default value is generally optimal. Guidance scales let you make the AI follow your lyrics and genre tags more closely or allow more creativity. Default works for most cases. Genre tags help tell the AI the style, mood, or instruments to use, while lyric tags like chorus provide clearer structure. Here's how it works live. I visit the demo page, paste in some lyrics which I generated using ChatGPT. I set audio duration to match these lyrics and leave everything else as default for best results. Then I click generate. After a short wait, the finished track appears and can be downloaded and played directly in the browser.
in a neon haze. Sunrise spilling on the empty stage, running wild, chasing echoes in the air. A brand new rhythm, sparks everywhere. Racing hearts beneath the city lights. Hear the promise shining in our eyes. We are lightning breaking through the dark. Every moment leaving our mark.
AC Step also comes with advanced features. Audio to Audio lets users upload a short reference track. The AI produces a new song in that style with any lyrics you wish. Retake, edit, repaint, and extend features enable users to regenerate, modify, or lengthen specific sections of any generated track for endless creative flexibility. For those who want unlimited AI music offline, ACE Step is fully open source and available to install locally. The minimum requirement is a computer with 8 GB of RAM, and it runs on NVIDIA GPUs and even newer Macs. Installation is straightforward using the instructions in their GitHub repository. Links for the official site, web demo, and setup instructions are included in the video description. ACE Step now makes AI music generation accessible to anyone, removing paywalls and limitations while delivering professional quality. Thanks for watching. For updates on the latest open source AI tools, remember to like and subscribe. All resources mentioned are available below in the description.